Hello again, this is George here with Madsen Aurora Mitsubishi, here with the 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Again, just wanted to give you a better idea on this truck. And as I mentioned, it just got detailed, so it looks pretty clean. Tires are in pretty good shape. Let's take a look at the inside. You have your leather seating, or leather seats, power sunroof, which is one of the things you had mentioned if it had. And here's all your controls for your 4x4, power windows, power door locks. Then also the power seat. Some airbands and controls for the rear passengers. And the other question was the hitch. So it does have a hitch. And then the cargo area with some of the all-weather floor mats back there. And there you have it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to give me a call back at 630-898-6000. Again, this is George here at Madsen Aurora Mitsubishi with the 2007 Chevy Avalanche.